So you are struggling to keep your project in sync between Smartsheet and Jira. Imagine updating a task in Smartsheet and having it automatically reflect in Jira. It saves you hours of manual work. In this video, I will show you how exactly you can integrate Smartsheet with Jira even if you have never done it before. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. Now, if that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description. You will get some special link. Okay, so first of all, you have to create account both of the tool in the Smartsheet and the Jira. If you don't have an account, you can create just within a single minute. So it's not too hard. So after creating this account, you have to be on the account in Zapier. So if you don't have an account in Zapier, you can obviously create within just 1 minute. It's 100% free and very easy. Now once you are inside the Zapier, now we are going to create a Zap. So just click on this create button and go with Zapier or Zaps. Now click on this trigger. Now search for the Smartsheet. Now click on this. Now choose the trigger. Now sign in your account. So if you have created before this account, you just have to click on this allow. Now click on this continue. Now choose a value from this. There is an option, it's automated, like automatically created. So select this and click on this continue again. Now if you want, then you can test this trigger. Okay, everything is fine. Now click on this continue with selected record. Now basically it's open for your action. If I show you like this one, so just click on this and search for the Jira. So we are going to connect the Jira cloud server. Okay, so this one, Jira software cloud, just click on this. Now similarly select a event here for this action. So I'm just using random one, but you can use according to your needs. Now just sign in your Jira account. So you will find there is an option, the Jira software cloud. Select that. So we are not going to connect the government cloud. So we are going with this false and just write your Jira account here. So basically you will find this when you created your Jira account. So in my case, it's Easy Access Tech. Now click on this yes continue. Now click on this accept. Now click on this continue. Now choose the value from here. So if you don't have any value, then you can go with this 3 dot and click on this custom. Now you can see some Smartsheet data here. So select any one, I mean the according to your needs. So I'm just selecting this, let's say. Now just write a comment here. So just click on this plus icon and I'm going with this condition. Now click on this continue. So basically I'm all selecting as a random, but you have to select according to your needs. Okay. Now just click on this test setup or the test step if you want to test, or if you don't want, then you can go with this skip the test. So in this video I'm going to just skip the test. Now our Smartsheet and Jira is connected. Now just simply publish this to live this connection or in the integration. So let's close this, and that's it. Basically this is how you can easily connect your Smartsheet and Jira account by using the Zapier or make.com if you want to use. So that's it basically. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.